Hey up everybody and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Well, we're back down here on the allotment today just before Christmas, and we're going to be doing a bit of work outside while it's nice today. It's not too bad of a day. It's a bit chilly, but it's not too bad at all. No rain, and yeah, while it's decent, we'll spend time outside getting all the plot ready. So we've been doing a lot of building work recently. You've seen that I've put my arches up, I've got my new greenhouses up, and we need to start concentrating on the main growing area that I use. Obviously we'll not be planting out here till May time, so we've got plenty of time to get it all ready, but I want to be ahead of the game and get started and get cracking. Now next winter I'll probably be doing a massive redevelopment of this area, but I've got other stuff to buy for my polytunnel work, what I'm doing, and yeah, we'll concentrate on that, and then next winter probably do the outside up. So let's see what we're doing today down at the plot. So this is my main growing area. As you can see, I've done some of the beds up from where I planted out my winter veg. We need to fill some borders in and get them screwed together and get them tidied up. But yeah, we need to sort the paths out, sort out the beds that I'm not using and tidy them up and rebuild them and make them last another year, get them dug over, get them cleared and get it all tidied over and looking a bit more neater and photogenic. But yeah, there's a lot of work to do, but we're going to crack on and start getting there. We'll start from the top and work our way down to the bottom and get cracking with it all, and hopefully getting it looking in a better state, ready for next year. It will be one less job to do when spring comes, when we're sowing all the seeds. So yeah, I know obviously the weeds will grow back, but keeping it maintained and keeping it in shape will help in the long run. So yeah, we best get cracking, best get tidying. There's a lot of tidying up to do, a lot of rubbish, but yeah, we'll get started and we'll see how well we get on. So we have cleared 4 beds and screwed them back together so that they hold for another year. Obviously we can't be painting them now because it's too wet, so we can't spruce them up, but they are looking better. And yeah, we've got 4 down, we've got more to do, but we'll hopefully carry on doing them through the winter period as and when we can, because obviously the weather will be changing during the winter period. But while it's mild, while it's nice, we are out in the garden getting stuff done. So let's have a look at the outcome of today. So there we are, we've got 4 beds tidied up, re-screwed back together and dug over. So yeah, we'll have to keep them weed free during the winter months, but there's lots to keep us going through then. But yeah, I'm happy with how they've come out. We need to be propping us broad beans up soon. That's one job that I need to do as well, as they're starting to get a bit taller, so we need to put some netting up and fasten all them up. That's one job that we've got to do. But hopefully, if it's decent, we'll be moving on to the next 4 beds tomorrow, and then we've got another 8 beds after that. So we've not got much to do, but it's a job sorted and well done once it's done. But yeah, we're cracking on, we're getting it sorted, and next year's resolution is to be more tidy. Hold me to that one. But yeah, the birds are absolutely loving the bird feeders at the moment as well. Absolutely, so many blue tits coming down at the moment. But thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our allotment transformation throughout the winter period. Absolutely loads getting done while ever we can, while ever the weather's nice. But yeah, lots happening down here at the moment. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.